हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड ओ माय गॉड यू गाइस, this has been coming along from a long time. You guys have been commenting no glue no borax recipes like crazy, like even though I make pretty much only no borax recipes. Like, so finally I've brought you guys a no glue no borax recipe, as you all have been requesting so much. And oh my god, thank you guys, like thank you so much for waiting patiently, because I have been making slime from a long time, and it's really hard to find some new slime recipes and some no glue no borax recipes that might have some potential to work, because you guys know it's like super rare for them to work. Because I finally think I have a recipe that might work, because I have been testing some ingredients. So finally, let's see what we are going to make today. So we are going to make some clear slime today, and I'm going to make clear slime with no glue, no borax, no fevicol, no clear glue, nothing. So yeah, now if you guys are excited, then make sure to give this video a like, because YouTube needs to know that my content is actually real and my subscribers literally love to watch my videos. So yeah, make sure to give this video a like and let YouTube know that we make some good videos. So yeah guys, now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. I've never made clear slime from clear shampoo before, so I am a little bit skeptical about this recipe. But so many people have actually tried this recipe and it also kind of worked for them, so I think I can try this recipe as well. So yeah, let's take our first ingredient, which is clear shampoo. So I am taking this shampoo because this is one of the clear shampoos that I can find in the market, and I think some people tried making slime with this and it actually worked for them. So I'm really curious if this works for me or not. So yeah, let's take our bowl and let's get started. So here's our bowl, and now let's start making our slime recipe. So I am first going to take some shampoo into this. This does makes a funny noise, you guys. So I am taking about this much of this shampoo. Like, can you guys see that? The shampoo is really thick. So I think this kind of, have potential to work. So yeah. So we finally have our shampoo. Now it's time for our next ingredient, which is some salt. I've used many salts before, but I think iodized salt works the best for recipes like this. So today I'm going to use some iodized salt. So yeah, let me just get some salt. So I am using some Himalayan pink salt over here, but since it's pink, you guys can, literally verify that it's not borax. So now let's add some salt into our shampoo mixture, as you guys can see. And the key here is adding little by little. So yeah, so make sure that you don't add too much salt. The key here is going slow, so we'll add salt little by little. So now let's mix. As you guys can see, it is clumping up. Oh my god, oh my god, why is it actually activating? Can you guys see? It is almost activating. It has a lots of bubbles, because we have been stirring it for a while, but it is activating. I don't know how to actually prove it to you guys, because it is getting thicker. Oh my god. Guys, make sure you don't add too much salt because it is activating, and if you add too much salt because you're getting impatient, then oh my god, it will be like super bad. But this thing will eventually come together. As you guys can see, it is pulling off from the sides. I don't know, like, oh my god, I don't know what to say, but it is working. It is activating, you guys. It is activating, you guys. Now I'll fast forward this clip because you know it is taking a lot of time. So like, oh my god, can you guys see that? It is activating and it's getting thicker and thicker. Like, trust me, you guys, it is activating. Like, oh my god. Now at this point I will put it in fridge and let's see what it looks in 2 hours. So yeah, I'll show you guys this thing in 2 hours. So fantastic, it has been 2 hours since I've left the slime in freezer. So not in refrigerator, in freezer for like 2 hours, and shampoo does not freeze. So yeah, this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it is a bit, you know, sticky because of course it's shampoo and it will stick to your hand. But this is like, oh my god, this is the most slime like shampoo, you know. This feels like a, you know, deactivated slime. So I think this recipe works, but because you know it's just too hot here in Jaipur, so the shampoo is literally just, you know, melting. Because like, I've had it in freezer for 2 hours, but you guys can play with it for like 2 to 3 minutes if you live in a hot humid country. But yeah, it works and it really behaves like a slime. This is how the shampoo slime looks. It is definitely not the most, you know, non-stick and, you know, the most beginner level slime, but this is not a beginner slime. This is sticky and, you know, a bit hard to handle, but yeah, it is still playable. So I think this is a good slime recipe if you don't have any glue or Borax around your home, and this is still, you know, intact. So I'm like really impressed. So this recipe definitely works, but if you live in a hot humid country, then of course you have to keep it in fridge like every 10 minutes. But I think it's super cool and, you know, it's fun and it's really cold, so it's just amazing. So give me some suggestions below about what kind of more no glue no Borax recipes you want to see from my side. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.